2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE. With less than 16,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, air ride suspension, rain sensing wipers, power lift gate, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.